welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy crispy baked chicken recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So I am starting off with 500 grams of wings, which I've just cut into two, and the first process that I'm going to do is remove any excess moisture that the wings might have. Because we are baking our wings, we need to make sure that it has very little moisture in it. That way we're also going to make sure that it is more crispy. Then I'm going to start off with a dry rub. So I started off by adding some black pepper, then I'm going to be adding some salt, then I'm going to be adding some parsley, some dried parsley. If you don't have this, you can definitely omit it. It is an additional step just to make your wings look better. And then next I'm going to be adding a combination of flour and baking powder. The exact mixture ingredients will be in the description box below, so do check that out. So I'm just going to mix everything together so that it's nice and evenly combined. If you do want yours to be a little bit spicy or have a little bit of heat, you can definitely add some peri-peri powder. So next I'm going to be adding some oil onto my wings. Just give that a quick rub. Then I'm going to add the dry rub that we've just made, and you can add it in phases, but you need to make sure that all your wings are sufficiently covered with this mixture. While you're doing this, you might also hear a little bit of a sizzling sound. That is perfectly fine because of the baking powder that we've added. You might be hearing this, but there's nothing wrong with your meat. You're not going to be sick or anything like that. So this is what I mean by it needs to be sufficiently covered. You need to make sure that every part of your wing is sufficiently covered. So next we're going to be putting this on a baking rack. I definitely suggest you put it on a baking rack because we do want some of the excess water and oil to drain through at the bottom, and this will also ensure that we crisp out our wings. We're going to put it in our oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees and then 5 minutes broiling just to crisp up the top. And that is it for this quick and easy recipe. You can have it with a dip of your choice that you love and prefer. This is what it's looking like. It's really nice, quick and easy, good for snacking. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here. Comment in the comment section, like this video, and I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye.